Hey traders, Danny this side from Nexus Indicator. Today I'm going to introduce some of the new features to the Nexus Copier that I've added over the last couple of weeks. And I just wanted to showcase in this video, it's a follow-up video of the last Nexus Copier video that we uploaded, one of the first videos on the channel. And we have made some major improvements into the free copier, and I just wanted to discuss the same in this video. So without further delay, let me put in the indicator on the charts. So just search for Nexus Copier. Now this is a free indicator, so there is no cost for it. However, if you want to use it, you'll have to go onto the website, download the indicator, and share your machine ID with the team, and we would activate the indicator for you. Now let me put in the indicator on the charts, and as soon as we put in the indicator, you can see the UI has been changed completely. The Nexus Copier now integrates into your chart window, so you don't have to look into a different window or switch tabs or do anything like that. Everything is on the same chart that you're trading. Now you can see on the top we have the copier turned on right now because it was turned on earlier, which means if in case you reload the chart, the copier will not turn off. So let me just reload the chart. And you see, when I reload the chart, the Nexus Copier did not lose its settings. So it persists the settings as you had before the reload. Now in the UI itself, you can see in the main panel, we have made some major changes. I've added a flat and a ratio button. Now, if you guys don't know, the ratio button basically increases the number of quantity you want to copy onto your followers. So if in case I set it to 2, if in case I open one quantity on the master account, which is the playback account, which I have selected right now, we are on playback, it would copy 2 quantity on the follower accounts instead of 1. So you can set it to 6, it would copy 6 times what you open on the main account, the master account. Now, jumping into the UI, when we click the followers, so how do we manage the followers? That's the question. So in the previous version, we only had one follower that you could copy your trades onto. But in this version, I've added 3 followers. So instead of just having one, you can copy up to 3 accounts. So one would be your master, and then 3 accounts would be the followers. So in total, you can trade 4 accounts from a single chart and copy your trades to 3 accounts. Now, if I open the follower section, you can see it it shows you the 3 accounts. However, you will have to select which accounts you want to copy to. Now, in this scenario, we only have one account because we are on playback right now, but it would show you your accounts in the drop down, so you can select your accounts. Then we have the instrument selector, so you can select which instrument you want to copy to. So in this case, we are on the mini chart, but I've set it to copy to the micro instrument. So whatever trades I open here on the mini, they will be copied onto the on the micro on the followers. So let me quickly open one trade. So let's say we buy here, and you can see it copied on the left hand side, which is the micro chart. And we have selected the playback account over here on the micro chart. Let me put the chart trader as hidden. The orders were copied, and the best part is you can still move your orders. So if in case I move my TP, you can see on the follower the TP order was auto adjusted as per the dragged order. And similarly, we can drag the SL, so I can just move the SL over here, and that will be copied perfectly on the follower as well. Now, scaling in and scaling out is also perfectly working. So if you add into your position, it copies directly onto your follower account. If I DCA out, then it DCAs out on the followers as well. Now, the other thing is that on the UI, you can notice there are 3 buttons over here on the top. So what you can also do now, if in case let's say you're not in a trade, you can on the fly, without opening this drop down, you can simply click on the follower button. So let's say I clicked on F1 because that's the only follower we have right now, and I click buy. It enables the follower and copies the trade. Now the way I like to use it is I trade minis on my evals, and then I copy my pro accounts with the micros. So the risk on the pro accounts is much lesser in compared to the risk I take on the evals. Now this is not a financial advice, but I would say use it at your own risk. But that's how I'd like to do it, because my risk is less on the pro accounts in that case, and I can grow my pro accounts slowly. So I'm not going to keep this video a lot longer, but yeah, this is basically it. We have the new follower buttons. We have the performance improvement. You now have 2 more accounts, so in total 3 accounts are there. The ratio button is there, so you can increase the ratio of all 3 accounts at the same time from the top panel, and you can do it individually for each account. You can set a custom ratio for each account. And we have these follower buttons that we added, so you can enable, disable followers instantly without having to open the whole panel, and just do it from there. So that's about it. If you guys have any feedbacks or any comments, or if you would like to something new in the copier, if you have any suggestions, I would love to hear from you. Please drop a comment and do like and subscribe the channel. That helps me build more indicators and come up with ideas that would really help the community, and also that will help me to grow as a trader as well. Well, thank you so much for watching, if you're still watching till this point, and do check out the website. We have some amazing products there, some free indicators as well, the Whale Cloud. A lot of you guys claimed the free license for that, so do check it out. And thank you so much for watching. Hope you have an amazing and profitable year ahead. Thank you.